Hello, hi everybody. I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com right here in Honolulu. And today I want to give you a couple of really good Google Chrome search tips. So usually when you search for something, in this case, I searched for InHome Computer Help Honolulu. And whoop, there I am on the top. This is the Bing search engine, by the way. Bing has excellent search results, and sometimes I think the search results are better than Google. But in any case, most people will go ahead and click that, and they get to the website, and if they discover it's something that they don't want, then they end up going backwards, and they hope that they didn't click too many links in the process to where they can't find their search results. Well, here's what you can do instead. I always tell my in-home computer tutoring students, right mouse click for a menu, left mouse click for an action. So let's right mouse click for a menu, and look what we got here. Open link in new tab. So now we left mouse click for the action of opening the link in the new tab. And you notice right up here, the web page starts to load, so you can click on that web page. And when you're done with that web page, then you can close it. So let's go ahead and close that. And look at that. There's your search results again. Now, let's say you've already left, you're somewhere else or whatever. You close that and you found, oh, shoot, I didn't mean to close that. Your last trick that I'm going to show you today, because I'm trying to keep my videos short, and I think people watch them more if they're short. Go all the way over here past the plus and right mouse click, and you can reopen a closed tab. And once again, there's the web page you were looking for proactive computer support and remote support. So that's your tip for today. Everyone enjoy your computer, be safe, and God bless you.